To get started with the Vishya app, first, click on the Login button. Then, use the user ID and password you received earlier to log in. Make sure to enter the information accurately in the provided fields. Once logged in, click on the Sign In button to access the dashboard. From there, select My Courses and find the specific topic you're interested in. You'll have access to both practice tests and unit tests. Let's focus on the practice test for now. Inside the practice test, carefully choose your answers to the given questions. After providing your response, check if it's correct. If it's right, it'll show that. If it's wrong, you can try again by selecting another option. Click on Show Solution to see the correct answer. Repeat this process for each question. When you're done with the practice test, submit it, and you can check the results of your attempts. Moving on to the unit test, remember that answers won't be visible here. You have a 10 minutes time limit. And you can navigate through the questions using the navigation bar. After pressing Submit, if there's time left, you can go back to review the test. After submitting the unit test, you'll see the results, including the percentage and a detailed report of your performance. Enjoy using the Vishya app for your learning journey.